If you're in the looks for a new bird feeder for your yard, this one right here has been sent to me free of charge for this review, and I just wanted to show you what this bird feeder looks like and just a little bit about it out of the box so you can decide whether or not this is the bird feeder you're looking for. First of all, the looks of this bird feeder is kind of like a rustic look, so if you are into that type of rustic theme, then this is going to work out perfectly for you. I personally really like how it looks. It kind of looks like a rusty steel. Along with that, it is also very good size. With that, I do also like that this is mesh, but the bottom is fully open. What that is going to allow you to do is still use the little bird seed and it's not going to fall out, but it's also going to allow you to use the bigger bird seed and have the birds be able to eat from the bottom also. Then the last few things I really like about this bird feeder is, one, it has a lot of perching space. Next thing is it is going to be very easy to fill. It's also going to be very easy to clean. So we have a little push button right here. Just push that, slide up, then that's going to remove the top. You're going to be able to fill it up, or you're going to be able to clean it out when you need to. So really nice bird feeder right here. The birds at my house are loving this feeder and I like watching them feed off of it. So if you're looking for a new bird feeder, this one right here is one that I wouldn't hesitate to add to your yard.